know a good mudguard until you've tried the CAVANERO Mudguard.
This will be one of the fastest mudguard installs you've ever seen. Check this out.
We have teleported back to our house to show you the quick install. Start off by rounding out the mudguard a bit so that it gets in a little bit easier. Get at least your pinky into the tabs to make it easier to install it onto the bracket. Flip the tab on the top and fold it backwards so that it stays upright. Now it's time to install the bracket. It should look just like this, and now all you have to do is install it onto your fork. Install. It should take you about 5 minutes. Go over to CAVANERO's website and you should find a specific mudguard for your fork to make sure it fits your arc. Now let's go shred this thing. We're at Sky Park Bike Park in Southern California and it's been snowing the past couple days, so it's very muddy. Let's go see how this mudguard works. All right. I'm sorry, Justin. Oh my God, I slid out.
Bro, this mud is so bad.
I know.
Do I have some on my glasses? Do I have more on my glasses?
No, you have like 2 spots on your glasses.
I just don't want to touch it, it's gonna scratch it.
Yeah, don't.
Boom.
Boom. The camera's on. They recorded all of that.
Oh, that's weird. Whoa, that's sick, dude. Ah, I can't stick in it. Sick. I love this trail. It's so fast, but it's so fun.
I think this mudguard works as good as it looks.
On that note, that's the end of the video. We'll catch you in the next one.